Welcome to United Cooperative's Waupun Soy Processing Plant. Come inside and take a look with us. To kick things off with our tour, we'll take a look at the control room here. This is where our mill technicians take a look at all the parts of the process of time, temperature, and levels throughout the process. In the control room, we also do testing of the product. We do testing every hour to make sure all of our product is within quality specs. Now we'll go take a look inside the plant. First, we'll go take a look at our roasters. So prior to the roaster, we clean the bean, then we crack the bean, then we bring it in, and then we put it in through the roaster at a certain temperature and time through to make sure we get evenly heated beans. As you can see here, we have 6 presses in the facility. Each one is capable of doing 100 ton of meal a day. Let's go take a look inside. As you can see inside, this is where we extract the oil. Soybeans have about 19 to 20% oil. We extract about 12 to 13%, leaving about 6 or 7% left. Beans come into Waupun on the grain side. We bring them in through our high capacity pits, store them in our grain bins. Most of our grain bins are about 1.2 million bushels. We have the capability to add more if we desire. Once we bring them into grain, we bring them in, we clean them, we weigh them, and then we transfer them into our day bins, which we bring into the plant. The 2 concrete bins behind me are our loadout bins. Each can hold about 1,000 tons of meal. Behind me here is our oil loadout storage tank where we can load rail and truck. It holds about 250,000 gallons. Now we'll take a look at our loadout facility where we load our trucks and our rail cars. This is our Dynatech loadout system. We can load rail or truck with the system, so we can swing it to the truck or swing over to the rail car and load it. This is our loadout control room. This is where we enter our PO number, get the weight off the truck, and we enter how much product we want to put into the truck or rail car, to our bulk weigher, and then we can proceed with loading the truck.
So why did United Cooperative invest in the soy processing facility in Waupun? A few years ago, 85 to 90% of the soybeans grown in Wisconsin were exported out of the state. Today, we can take whole beans and turn them into exceller meal for the dairy industry and soy oil for the refinery industry. We can keep in the state of Wisconsin and locally extra margin for our grain producers and extra margin for our feed producers, saving on freight exporting from Wisconsin. This plant here can produce up to 600 ton a day of exceller, 7 days a week at 3 pounds per head per day. That's enough to feed 400,000 dairy cows. This facility has the capabilities of both truck and rail loadout. Rail loadout gives us the opportunity to go into the Canadian market and also to the East Coast into New York and Pennsylvania. We are proud to be part of this local community and adding value to our dairy producers and our grain producers.
This concludes our tour of the soy processing plant here in Waupun. We at United Cooperative appreciate you wanting to learn more about the process. We are proud to be a part of this community and the people we serve.